Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a beginner-friendly 10-minute practice. If you're new to Qigong, this is a great way to tap into the uplifting energy through this healing practice. Now let's get started. Qigong is an ancient yet evolving, holistic, self-healing exercise and meditation. Through the practice, we learn to smooth the flow of qi in the body. Begin standing, feet hip width or shoulder width, knees are slightly bent. Come into the Taoist Wuji posture. Send the hips slightly back. Relax the shoulders, armpit open, elbows goes out slightly. Hands at about 45-degree angle. Tuck the chin slightly. Project the crown of your head up towards the sky. Place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. The tip of the tongue acts as a switch connecting the two major energy highways in the body along the front and the back of the spine. Slow and gentle breathing through your nostrils. And blink your eyes open, rub your palms together, massage your face to stimulate the energy points over your face. Gently cup your head. Now release the hands down. We're going to bring up the happy bouncing. Knees are slightly bent. Move the knees up and down. Bring the arms up. Let your wrists dangle. If you notice any tension in your shoulder or your neck, as you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do this together. Inhale through the nose, open mouth, exhale, side it out. Lower the arms, swing side to side. Gently twist into the spine. And have the hands cup on the bottom of the torso. Begin to move up slightly in the front. That's the lower dantian, still beneath the navel. And keep moving the hands up to the navel and the door of life, directly opposite from the navel. A powerful energy point in the body. Move the hands up towards the middle dantian. That's in the center of the chest. And give yourself a gentle pat over the shoulder. In Qigong, through movements like this, we cultivate loving kindness towards ourselves and towards others. Grab the floor with your toes and pay attention to your knees. If you have knee issues, remember to aim the knees towards the second toes. Slowly move the hands down. And come to stillness. Notice how your body feels. Notice the tingling sensations in your hands, arms. That is your qi are being activated. And bring the hands up. Open the chest, look up, inhale. Exhale, round into the spine. Bring the arms to touch. This is the spinal cord breathing. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Bring mobility to our low back. We're pumping qi along the spine. When you round next time, have the elbows to touch. Move the hands side to side. Then rise up. These movements help to move the fluid in the discs between our vertebrae. They help the discs to be healthy, to be supple. A wonderful movement in relieving lower back stiffness. This is a wonderful gentle exercise. Helps relieve lower back stiffness. And rise up, inhale. Exhale, slowly release the arms down. And flow your hands up. And drawing down the heavenly energy, bring it through the center of the body. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower. Bend into the knees. Release the hands to your sides. Interlace the fingers. Lift your hands. Flip the palms, press towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, stretch to the left. Look up under the armpit. Slowly back to center and stretch to the right. Back to center. Bend into the knees. Release the arms down. Roll the shoulders up and back. Hands on your waist. Neck rotation clockwise. Very slow. When we rotate our neck, we stimulate the Da Zhui point, a wonderful point along the spinal column. It's at the joint of the C7. This point tends to get narrower as we age. So when we stimulate this point, which helps the qi to flow better through this point to nourish the brain. Counterclockwise. Come back to center. Roll the shoulders up and back. and hands interlaced. Lift the hands up one more time. Press the hands to the sky. Hands hold up the heavens to stimulate the triple warmer meridian. The Sanjiao. Bend into the knees, open the arms. Hold the wrists, fingers point up, and slowly release. Let's repeat 3 more times. This movement primes the body. Look up, hold up the heavens, bring the arms closer to your ears, slightly bend into the knees, lower the arms very slowly, press into the palms. Sanjiao, the triple warmer or the triple heater, has been discovered by scientists 5 years ago. They call it interstitium. But in traditional Chinese medicine, Sanjiao is an important organ. It has been there since the day we began on this planet. Sanjiao is the waterways for the body, where the qi and energy moves along, moisture's sipping through the cells. Press the hands up, lower the arms. Slowly return to the Taoist Wuji posture. Gentle and mindful breathing. Feel the tingling sensations in your hands. That is your qi being activated. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.